Okay, yummy. It's almost. Look at the watermelon. Just a little, maybe a few minutes to cook the sweet potato. And that's it. Wow. Looks yummy. I'll try this beef. Yeah, it's tender. It's tender now. But how about the tomato, the sweet potato? Yeah. Sweet potato is already cooked. I just do quick high fire, then off it. A little bit spicy because of the black pepper, ginger, and a little of red, and a little of this, maybe 1 spoon I put in there, and the red, this one I put a little of this, so it's a little bit spicy. Okay.